So, friends, here we are again. श्रीकांत सर के साथ ये पूरे अमरूद डेयरी फार्म का वंडरफुल विजिट लेने के बाद नाउ आई एम हियर विद चार्मी मैम. She is the better half of Shrikant ji, and I have been told that for the last 3 years she has also been an inspiration behind what you can see all around you. Welcome Charmi ma'am once again.
Thank you sir.
To join
Thank
us.
you.
Ma'am, tell us a little bit about this journey first of Amrut Dairy Farm.
Yes, so basically the main motivation of getting into all this was only that anything we ate or anything we used to consume, we gave the best of or the highest price, but we had everything adulterated. So we had an idea that we want to do something and consume pure, and along with that to as many people as we could reach, so we can even provide them the purest of the things. Okay. So that is how we got into it, and yes, slowly we grew with milk, then other milk products, and then also we are into a bit of farming, like we are cultivating vegetables. Currently not on a very large scale, but yes, we are into R&D also, and then we are
so before ma'am actually continues, ये जब R&D adulteration इस तरह के शब्द use कर रही हैं, she has all the right to do it, because believe me, she is a chemical engineer. So as I was promising you before, that when IT meets a chemical engineering, what magic can happen. So she is another live example of that. You can see her passion in her words, how love for nature, and again all these words that what we are consuming is adulterated, and it is not in the pure form. She can be the best judge of something like that. So here we are, ma'am. अब हमें बताइए that this farming, organic farming, what have we been able to do here?
Yes, so currently we have grown a few vegetables, like this is coriander, kothmir.
Okay.
Again, I want to show people a few things, that as we are not adding pesticides here, so it will have a lot of weeds. So apart from kothmir, in equal number you will see weeds.
Okay.
Yes, so this is how you can identify that this is organic.
Right.
And that's why organic farming takes a lot of effort, because you need to remove the weeds on equal time. Otherwise, rather than the main product, you will have more weeds.
So the meaning is that जितने ज़्यादा terminologies जो हैं बड़े interesting sound करते हैं, with all that there will be a lot of pain and a lot of passion and hard work to come.
Yes,
so
exactly.
that you can separate the organic from. Okay.
Yes. So this is pudina.
Okay.
Mint leaves.
Right.
Then this side we have cauliflower.
Okay. Yeah, I could see the wonderful cauliflowers. You can make it out. This is peak, winter seasons, when all your vegetables will flourish out. All your hard work, can actually show.
And what we have learnt is, like cabbage, cauliflower and brinjal, those have the maximum pesticides.
Okay.
Because they tend to catch up different diseases very early. So the soil contains maximum diseases if you want them to flourish.
Right.
So and you should eat only seasonal fruits or vegetables.
Right.
So cabbage, cauliflower, those are actually winter vegetables. So better to consume them in